Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender, a powerhouse with a 1200-watt motor that effortlessly pulverizes ice to snow in seconds, perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces. This blender boasts rust-proof Pro Extractor blades that break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds, ensuring maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction while minimizing waste. With its intelligent Auto IQ technology, you can take the guesswork out of drink making, thanks to unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The XL 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is ideal for making large batches for the entire family, and with 3 sizes of single-serve cups, 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32 ounces, complete with spout lids, you can easily take your nutrient-rich smoothies on the go. Cleanup is a breeze since all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, and to get you started, the blender comes with a 75 recipe inspiration guide for easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. Included in the package are a 1200-watt motor base, a 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, 3 to-go cups, 3 spout lids, a Pro Extractor blades assembly, and a 75 recipe cookbook, making this blender a versatile and essential addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.